Hi everyone. So we're going to work with graphs and charts, and the first part is to submit a summary of page 143 and 144. If you have mathematics, the chances that you have seen some of these before are really good. So you're just going to say what type of charts we get and maybe just have a picture of how they look like. So just summarize those two, and we also have to do activity 16.1. Okay, so this is just a scenario. You can read it at your own time, but for video's sake, I am just going to do the instructions. And it's basically about a driving school who wants to see if making advertisements is worth it, if they have enough people coming. And this is the results they got, but you can't really see much. So because the results are scattered, we're going to create a scatter graph and maybe have a line there to see if there is a relationship between the amounts of advertising and the amounts of people coming in. So the first thing to do is open spreadsheet. So open Excel. If you have the online version, just say Office 365 and just go to there. It's free there, but I would prefer that you get Microsoft Excel, and you will just retype this exactly as they have it there. For the video's sake, I've already typed in the first few lines over here, but I didn't change anything in column B yet. But we will have to wrap this. That's when you make everything fit into this, and you can also merge and center, but we don't want to do that. And we just make it a little bigger, put it in the center, and center this as well. And it seems like this is also centered. In fact, it doesn't seem like this is centered, so only those results there are centered. So we're just changing all of that the same as there, so it seems like that was left aligned. Okay, that is left aligned, and then this we just need to put in the number of new pupils per week from adverts. Okay, same thing. You say wrap text, and we just double the size of this over here, and we make sure this is center aligned, and this needs to go to the top and it's left aligned. Only difference between mine and theirs is that seems to be bold. Okay, so we just make both of those bold, and that was the first step. Next, we select all of this data, and that includes the heading. We're going to insert. We're going to insert a chart. So you can maybe choose over here, or I already have the symbol over there. So I'm just going to choose a scatter graph, and I'm going to say this one. And the next step, okay, we've done this, we've added this. Now they want us to put a horizontal axis over there. So you can follow these steps if you have the older version of Microsoft Excel. If you do have the version that I am using, then we need to put in an axis title, and we're going to put in a horizontal one, and it's already there at the bottom. So all of this is just to put a horizontal one at the bottom. You'll now see the axis title box appear on the scatter graph. Change the text in this box to read amount in dollars spent on advertising each week. So let's see. So the amount, oh, I made a mistake. Just want to start typing in there. Amount in dollars spent on advertising each week. And put the title number of new pupils per week on the vertical axis. Okay, so we're gonna put a axis name over here. So we add a chart element, axis titles, we say vertical, and then for this one we want it to say amount in dollars spent on advertising each week. Amount That doesn't make sense. Oh, I read the wrong one. It's put the title number of new pupils per week on the vertical axis. Okay, so we just put in the number of new pupils per week. And the other thing is they want it to be horizontal. So we will have to edit this. So we say edit format access title. So you can see if I right click, format access title. Then we go to here and we say we make it horizontal. So now it's going to look like theirs. So you can change these settings over here if you have this version. And that's all we have to do. And now they say our chart should look like this, and currently it does look like that. So we have the chart over there, and now you can see there is actually a relationship between the amount of dollars spent and the number of new pupils per week. So all you have to do now, you just save this as, what did they say? We save Scattergraph. So you just save it as Scattergraph. I spelled it wrong, Scattergraph. And then as soon as you save it, then all you have to do is submit it in this assignment. So next, do that activity and submit your Excel named Scattergraph. I spelled it wrong. Did I spell it? Scattergraph. That looks right. Scattergraph. You submit that, and then you're done with this assignment. Enjoy the rest of your day.